Today we're diving into BunnyBand, a product that claims to revolutionize the way we manage our daily tasks. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out if this is worth your hard-earned cash or just another overhyped gadget. BunnyBand positions itself as a task management tool that combines functionality with a playful design. At its core, it offers features like task tracking, reminders, and even a calendar integration, which sounds great on paper. The user interface is colorful and engaging, making it appealing for younger audiences or anyone looking to add a bit of fun to their productivity routine. However, while it looks friendly and approachable, some parts feel a bit vague, especially regarding its advanced features. The app targets busy individuals who might appreciate a more whimsical approach to task management, but I can't help but wonder if it's truly practical for more serious users. If you're someone who needs robust project management tools, you might not find everything you need here. Overall, it's an interesting concept, but I'm left questioning how effective it really is in day-to-day use. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, BunnyBand's design is undeniably charming and engaging. It could motivate users who struggle with traditional task managers. The reminders and calendar integration are definitely useful features for keeping track of tasks. On the flip side, however, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed customization options might turn off users who prefer a tailored experience. Plus, I noticed the lack of user reviews and feedback, which raises some trust concerns. Pricing is another factor. If it's not competitive, users might look elsewhere. This app may not suit those who need serious project management tools or advanced features, but if you're looking for something lighthearted and fun, it could be a good fit. In conclusion, BunnyBand might be worth considering if you enjoy a playful approach to productivity and need basic task management. However, if you require more advanced features or customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a fun experiment, but not necessarily a must-have for everyone.